Good morning, student. Today we are going to start on chapter 1, our environment of 7th class. Environment. What do you mean by environment? Environment means all the living and non-living things in our surrounding, including in our environment. We have two types of environment. First, natural environment. Second, human-made environment. Today, we start natural environment, which includes atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Okay, students. First, we start lithosphere. The entire top crust of Earth, including the ocean's floor, is called lithosphere. According to me, the outermost solid layer of the earth consisting of soils and rock material is called lithosphere. It includes. Now we discuss the main features of lithosphere. First is it includes ocean floor as well as land surface. It means it includes not only the land surface, my child, but also the ocean floor. The terms litho means rocky crust. Okay. Second, the average thickness of lithosphere is about 100 km. It has been found the thickness of the Earth's crust is greater where the continents exist about 32 km as compared to the ocean floor about 8 km. The next features of lithosphere is it includes mountains, plateau, plain, valley, river and oceans. Now, the next feature of lithosphere, it provides us land for building houses, road, factories and also for agriculture. In short form, students, we tell lithosphere means rocky crust. That means it includes all the things like mountain, plateau, plain, valley, river. Okay. We also get various minerals from it also. The next concept is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is that part of Earth's surface which is covered by water. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, hence it is also regarded as the watery planet. All the water bodies such as the ocean, seas, lake, river, bay, ice cap, glaciers, groundwaters, fresh water together make up the hydrosphere. Water support all the form of life on the earth and is useful to us in a number of ways. Fresh water, apart from its domestic, agriculture and industrial uses, is used to generate electricity. It is also used as a means of transport. It is available on land through the process of water cycle. Oceans provide us with food and minerals. Now the main features of the hydrospheres. First is 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. It is the main point of hydrosphere. Our next point is Earth is regarded as a watery planet because of 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. The next feature, it includes all the water bodies such as ocean, sea, lake, river, ice caps, etc. Water support all form of life on the earth. Next topic is the atmosphere. It is also a part of natural environment. The blanket of air that envelops the earth is called the atmosphere. Its exact thickness is unknown, but we considered it up to 1600 km from the surface of Earth. The gravitational force of the Earth holds the atmosphere around it. It is a mix of many gases such as nitrogen, which is 78%, and oxygen, which is 21%. The rest 1% includes substances like argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust, and smoke particles. The atmosphere prevents the sun's harmful rays from reaching the Earth's surface. It controls the temperature during day and night. It also controls pressure, humidity, and sunshine. Therefore, the changes in the atmosphere produce changes in weather and climate. Without atmosphere, our Earth would have been barren like other planets. In short form, we discuss here atmosphere. The total thickness is 1600 km. The gravitational force of Earth holds the atmosphere around it. That means Earth. It is a mixture of many gases, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. It prevents the sun's harmful rays. It controls the temperature during day and night. It controls pressure, humidity, and sunshine. The main and the most important things of atmosphere is that without atmosphere, our Earth would have been a barren like other planets, because atmosphere make Earth a unique planet. Our next concept, the biosphere. It is a very important part of our natural environment. The narrow zone of the Earth where land, lithosphere, water, hydrosphere, and air, atmosphere interact with each other to support life is called biosphere. The word biosphere comes from the Greek word. Bios means life, and Latin word spheria means the total range. It is this biosphere which make the Earth a unique planet in our solar system. Living beings range from microscopic organisms to huge tree, animals, and human beings. This great variety of life on Earth is called biological diversity or biodiversity. The types of animals that live in an area depend largely on the type of crops grown over their plant life. In turns, it determined mainly by the climate. Trees, for example, grow tall and thick where it is a warm and rainy. Okay, we discussed today the natural environment. Our next topic here we discuss is ecosystem. Living things like plants and animals inhabit many different environment. From the poles to the equator, here I discuss what is the pole of Earth and what is the equator. Now I draw the Earth on that page. Now you see 0 degree. It is our equator. This area is a north pole and here's South Pole. I think you understand very well about the poles and equators. Life can be found underground, in air, in water, and on land. Each ecosystem is formed by the interaction. Look here, it is the main and important points. Each ecosystem is formed by the interaction of all living organisms. With each other and with the physical environment in which they live. It can be as large as the rainforest, grasslands. They are all the ecosystems, suppose like rainforest, grasslands. You know, student, about the grasslands. We have different types of grasslands, which is known different names in different continents, like prairies, pampas, etc. Deserts, lakes, rivers, or as small as pond. All things include in our ecosystem. A pond system may contain tiny plants such as diatoms, green algae, and very small animals such as rotifers and copepods, etc. These are the small microorganisms. Most of the ecosystems are complex. It is also a main point. The ecosystem are complex and contain thousands of interacting species.